friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI MAG 271QPX QD-OLED E2 27-inch WQHD gaming monitor. So friends, this monitor incorporating third generation QD-OLED technology, and this display stands out due to its adoption of advanced visual and performance features suited for high-end gaming. And this monitor features a 240Hz refresh rate and 0.03 millisecond response time, designed to deliver highly responsive and blur-free visual. It conforms to ClearMR 13000 and DisplayHDR True Black 400 standards, enhancing the clarity and color accuracy essential to immersive gaming experience. And to address common organic LED issues such as screen burn-in, MSI has integrated the OLED Care 2.0 technology, which helps preserve the longevity and quality of the display. And key specifications include a brightness level of 250 nits in standard dynamic range mode and 450 nits in high dynamic range mode, and up to 1000 nits at peak brightness. And the monitor offers an exceptional contrast ratio of 15 like Gem 1, providing deep blacks and vibrant colors. The color performance is equally impressive, covering 98% of the Adobe RGB spectrum, 99.1% of the DCI P3 color space, and 138.4% of the sRGB color space. And viewing angles are wide at 178 degrees both horizontally and vertically, maintaining color consistency and visibility from various viewing positions. And the monitor supports adaptive sync technology, facilitating smooth frame rate and reducing tearing and stuttering during gameplay. And connectivity options include one DisplayPort 1.4a, two HDMI 2.1 ports, and one USB Type-C port and headphone output, accommodating a wide range of device and multimedia setups. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.